Alright, so right here we have more heat pumps, which is there are a lot of 8 units. I think this is the only one running. I'll start with this one here. I think it's a Bryant straight cool unit. Serial number is 0317E03502. Model number is 116BNA024-A. It's made in March of 2017, and it's a 2-ton. It's got our Urfa 10A. We have a Trane XB12 here. That is a straight cool unit. Model number is 2TTB2030A1000AA. Serial number is 42322J54F. It's from 2004. 2.5 ton. Trane. Here we have a Payne teardrop air conditioner. That's a straight cool. Serial number is 3805X97453. Model number is PA12NA030-H. It's a 12 series unit from the 38th week of 2005. 2.5 ton. There's a Goodman right here. It's currently off. Model number is GSC1302418E. Serial number is OS706036027. It's made in 2007, and it's a 2-ton. Goodman. We have a 2012 Rheem straight cool unit. Model number is 13AJN30A01. Serial number is 8391W04129667. It's made in 4th week of 2012. Yeah, the only one that's running is this Rheem right here. Model number is 13AJN24A01. Manufactured in 34th week of 2013. And this one's a Ruud Achiever unit. That's currently off. Model number is VAKB-024JAZ. It's manufactured in 35th week of 2007. I was gonna say. It's got R22. We have a last unit. It's from 2009. 3 fan blades. I just hit myself on that. Model number is 13AJA30A01. Manufactured in 10th week of 2009. Well, 41 week of 2009. Sorry about that. It looks like it hasn't been running for a while, but whatever. 8 more heat pumps and straight cool units. The only one that's running is that 2014 Rheem 2-ton unit. There's a 2010 York I filmed. Over and out.